next thing we can do here is we can make the information for each room here. Okay, so we will go to the here and let's reduce the distance first to yeah. Okay, now we can copy the complete linear layout, or I guess we can copy the information from here and paste it right below this. Remove id from it because it's already in linear layout, we don't need to maintain its position. Okay, so here it will be single room. We will download copy it, download it. And put all the images inside drawable folder. Okay, so this is for double room. Okay, so here we will provide image of double room. Okay, this is single. Now change the id for it also. Okay, so we have added 2 rooms here and information. Okay, so we can add multiple similar way. Okay, we can provide a title here, gravity center, and its size 20 35, font style bold. Okay, now let's provide a little bit margin from top. Okay, and launch it. So here we have information of 2 rooms. Now when we go to the next and we fill all the information, after filling complete information it should navigate to previous screen. Okay, so here after filling all the information, we will finish it. And click on confirm booking. Okay, after confirm booking it must save the data on database, but here it haven't provided any message. So after doing it, we should provide a toast message: booking then after this we should have a we should have a delay of some time, some seconds, or we can use a progress dialog here. Okay, so let's use delay here and run it again. And confirm booking, and it will, okay, it haven't say show any. Okay, let's do it like this, and here finish.